Hi everybody, we're gonna make unboxing of Noob cigars, 8 assorted cigars. It's a sampler of 8 different cigars. It's packed in nice wooden box that you can just put in the zip bag and put Boveda inside. You can keep the humidity very good. It is. It's made by Oliva, handmade in Esteli, Nicaragua. Nice wooden box. Tabacalera Oliva, República de Nicaragua, Gen Totalmente Mar. And you can see here 8 different Noob cigars. This is Cameron, Belicoso, another Cameron. This is boxed pressed, you can see. This is Maduro, Belicoso format. Maduro is same. Robusto. This is Connecticut. Another Connecticut in the Belicoso shape. And this is sun grown Belicoso, and also in the other format of Robusto. This is it. I think it's a very nice sampler that you can try the Noob cigars, and you can choose which one is your favorite and then to continue to smoke these cigars. Have a nice evening.